siyang ano dyan, pedophilia. He's into it and he's you know, taking advantage of the poor and the miserable. At binabantayan ko lang yan siya. One of these days, alam mo, Adre, kung alam mo kung ikaw yan ang tinutukoy ko. Just be very careful, because there is always a time for everything. A time to rake in money at the expense of the children, pornography and all. Kung ang biktima mo mga 50, 80, maligaya ako, pati ako magpabiktima na lang. Pero putang ina ka. Pagkabata ang pinaglalaruan mo, you know what I mean. You might be thinking that you have, you know, you're doing it or you have been doing it, into it for so many years. Nakakalusot ka. But a new day is a new day. Tomorrow would be another day. Just be careful that yung misstep, baka madapa ka. Ayun na ang sinasabi ko.